This is the bad boy, top of the line Hilux. So meron na akong vlog for this, the red and the white pearl. Previously na vlog ko kasi that's the GR Sport. Wala yung sports bar, pero actually yun lang yung difference. So revisit lang natin to, right? And by the way, itong white is meron tong added 20,000 sa price, and also the emotional red. And before we begin, meron kami trade-in dito. Alright? So, by schedule yan ha. Huwag nyo basta-basta dalhin yung unit nyo dito. Baka wala yung appraisers namin. And just in case meron kang financing approval ha, pwede mo yung i-transfer dito. So, yung trade-in unit mo, trade-in to cash, trade-in to financing. Ha? So, tara simulan natin to Hilux GRS. So, this one is the Hilux GRS. Top of the line. And by the way, itong white pearl na to is with additional 20,000 to the SRP. Okay? Same goes with the emotional color. Ang walang additional price, walang added, is the color black version. Okay? So, dito hindi ko to sisimulan sa loob kasi ang ganda ng labas niya. Okay? The over fender is what? This one is massive. Yan. Okay? Nice. And ito yung design ng ano nyo, fog lights. Okay? Parang siyang tip ng spear. Alright? Ready to impale you. And meron siyang front sensor. Okay? Parking sensor. And look at the grills, guys. Wow! Hindi lang to ang inaano dito sa Toyota, yung durability. Yeah? So, this one, GR Sport, is for the sporty edition. Meron siyang sports bar. Nice. So, this one is meron tong 360 camera. Okay? So, the GR emblem. And another sensor here. Both sides. So, ayan yung headlight niya. Boom. Nice. So, dito tayo ikot kasi dito may ilaw. And meron to integrated signal light. Nice. Beneath is the 360 camera. Black door handles. Check out this step board. Nice. And another over fender here na massive. So this one, ang version na to is what? Wide tread. And with GR edition ng mga shock suspension. So yun ang isang highlight niya. Being the top of the line, mas maganda ang mga shock suspension niya. So ito yung na-mention kong sports bar. Yeah. So previously merong edition ito na walang sports bar, pero forget about that, wala na yon, guys. Ito na po ang edition natin ng GRS. Okay. Nice. And what is the mag size? This one is 17. Look at that caliper. Yan, okay. 4 na disc brake siya. Of course, being the top of the line. Dweller tire. Okay. So, yan yung taillight niya. Maganda ba? Okay. And meron tong 4 na backing sensors. 1, 2, 3, and 4 backing sensors. Ewan ko na lang. Then, with additional support ng backing camera. Okay? Nice. This one is the backing camera. And, ito. Meron pang isa dito. Okay? The GR emblem. Okay? And hindi pwedeng mawala ng bed liner to, of course. Nice bed liner. Okay? Nice. And ito lang ang merong shark fin antenna. The rest, hindi na po naka-shark fin. So, dito lang sa top of the line ang meron nating shark fin. Baba ko lang to, guys, ha. So, this one, integrated with the hydraulic. See that? So, yung na-mention ko yan, Hilux E. E variant. Wala siyang hydraulic system dun sa tail. Yan. So mabigat, medyo mabigat siya. Unlike this one, meron siyang hydraulic system dito na nagpapagaan each time na ibababa mo to. Okay? So, look at this. At this one hand, I can lift this. Okay? Versus kapag walang hydraulic system, mabigat siya actually. Right? Yeah. That's a bed liner. Right? So, that's the top of the line. Nice. And we're heading straight inside. So, meron ditong function key. Yan ah. Okay, meron dito. Kita niyo yung button. Black design kasi siya eh. Okay. Yan. So, the design of the door panel is this one. Okay, check natin yung material. This one is hard plastic. Okay. And this one is carbon fiber. And, whoa, this one is leather with foam. Okay, this one is leather and this one is hard plastic. This one is leather. Nice. And itong ilalim is what? Hard plastic. So, ito yung naka-leather lang niya. Ganda. So, one speaker under, one cup holder, extended. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka maglagay ng files. Meron ditong reflector. Okay? Just in case na nabuksan mo tong door, especially at the expressway, highway, at least for road visibility. So, ito yung design ng ating door panel. Joystick design for the adjustment of the side mirrors. So, meron siyang fold and unfold for the side mirrors. Wala siyang auto fold And central lock ng doors, central lock ng windows, especially pag merong kids. And ito yung control ng apat na window. Okay? And power seat adjust. How convenient is this? Ganda. Sandalan, pang move forward or back. Then, yan, pwede mo siya i-lift. Okay? This one is suede design. Kita nyo suede design. Yan, nakikita nyo, nag-iibaw. Okay? Then leather. Nice. With the what? GR design sa headrest. Okay? Nice. So, before we go inside, check lang natin itong mga panel under. Parking sensors for added safety. Blind spot monitoring. So, you can turn this off para itong mga umiilaw sa side mirrors is ma-off. Just in case annoying na sa'yo So, optional. And the 360 camera monitoring. Okay. Then, open ang hood. Open ang gas. Nice. Look at these pedals. Whoa. Yeah. Very sporty. Okay. Retractable cup holders. Air vent design. Look at this steering wheel. Meron siyang GR emblem. Okay. Para mas ma-feel nyo na top of the line yung gamit nyo. Okay? So, merong hawakan dito. Right? So, let's go inside. Let's check this steering wheel. Yeah! So. Meron tayong volume control here. Okay? Pang skip. Mode. Yan Ito yung shortcut button mo. You can cycle between AM, FM, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay. Answer call, hang up. So this is the cursor control para makontrol mo tong multi-information display. Okay? There. So nandiyan kasi yung settings sa LCD display na yan. Besides, in the middle of this, 2 analog speedometer. Right? Cursor, ito yung enter button, this one, in middle. Then back button, shortcut key. Lane departure monitoring. Okay? Right? So, ang design nitong steering wheel is leather design. Yan, look at this. Ang ganda. Napaka-premium ng look. Okay? So, ito may red button. May red leather design dito just to indicate the middle. Right? So, check out this speedometer. Nice. Yan, dark gray and black design. Okay? And by the way, ito yung paddle shifter nyo, guys. Look at this. Yan. This is the plus and the minus. Right? Okay. And then meron palang tweeter dito. Okay. Nice. So, ito yung design ng monitor niya. Ito yung kamay ko. Okay. Yan, malaki siya. And this one is push start button. Okay, so nandito yung adjustment ng drive mode natin. So meron tong high 4-wheel drive, high 2-wheel drive, low 4-wheel drive. Alright? So auto, auto max, off, front defogger, rear defogger, blower control, airflow control, whether kung sa mukha mo, sa paa, air intake, meron tong pwede mong papasukin yung hangin sa labas, or pwede ring within the cabin only. So meron tong dual zone. This one is the dual zone. So yung dual zone lang, explain ko lang mabilis, just in case itong passenger nyo ayaw ng malamig, pwede niyang iset individually sa kanya. What I mean, dyan lang mas mahina yung lamig. Pero ito, as a driver, dito sa driver side mo, retain yung lamig na temperature na prefer mo. Okay? This one is the thermostat. Okay? And meron tayong differential lock. Yan. Being the 4x4. And this one is the downhill assist. Okay? Meron tayong dalawang power source. The classic lighter. Okay? Ganda yan. And meron tayong wireless charger. Okay? Meron niyang on-off dito. Okay? Yan. Ganda. Dalawang cup holder, eco, and power mode. So, if you're wondering about this, of course, tinanggal lang to yung shift knob. It's because nandito sa showroom tong display unit. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, standard drive mode, or plus minus. Okay? Classic handbrake. Napakaganda nito. Hindi mo na kailangan tumingin dito. Grab, then brake. Okay? Center pocket. And ito pa yung isang center pocket natin. Okay? Ganda. So, the design ng seat is this. Suede. Combined with leather. Okay? The GR design. This one is gray stitching. Ganda. Ganda ng material. Nice. So, ito na nga yung door panel natin. Meron yung isang button to control the window. Merong speaker under and one cup holder under also, extended. So, the glove compartment, spacious siya. Ganda. And this one is the cool box. Okay? Not necessarily lalamig dyan yung bottled water mo, pero kasi dumadaan yung aircon dyan. That's why it's called the cool box. And it's cool. Yeah. So ito, carbon fiber design na nagra-run dyan. Yan. Ganda. So hazard button, aircon, adjust ng clock. Okay. Nice. So moving on. And ang maganda, may mga handle dyan eh. Oh. Okay. Yan. Moving on tayo sa headliner. Meron tayong mirror para sa passenger. That's nice. And lagayan ng sunglasses. Door control off. So by the way, push yan ha. Okay. Another one, push. Nice. And wala tayong mirror para sa driver. Okay. Meron pa rin tong ipitan dito. Okay. May hawakan dito. Nice. And I think that's just it. Hello. Ito nga pala yung seatbelt natin. Ayan. Para mas ramdam na ramdam yung pagkaka-GRS natin. Okay? Red color ang design natin. Actually, emotional red color. Yeah! Yeah. Nice. Hilux GRS, top of the line, going at the second row. Yeah. So, ito yung door panel design natin. Okay. One speaker under, one cup holder extended. Nice. And this one is leather design with white stitching running across. Carbon fiber, hard plastic. Pero mukha siyang leather pag tinignan siya up close. Nice. Ganda. And ang design pa rin nito, wait, meron pala tayo ditong retractable armrest with 2 cup holders. Wow. Nice. And meron tong 3 headrest. Okay? So ang ating mga seatbelt is red design. Yeah. Just to make you feel and remind na top of the line yung gamit nating unit. And the center cabin light with door function and lit. And of course the off button. Then meron tayong lagay ng files here. Both sides. Okay, then meron tayong retractable sabitan. Yan. Yan sabitan Okay. And what's best is this. Meron tayong second row aircon vent. Nice. Pwede mo yan i-off. Yan. Okay. Ganda. Aircon vent. Wow. And nandito rin pa rin yung sabitan natin. Just in case meron kayo sasabit na hanger. Okay. Going to the office. Sa site ng ating project. Yeah. That's the second row. Binaliktad ko siya ngayon. Inuna ko yung outside, the exterior versus the interior. Yeah. Kuhanin nyo na to dahil meron tong malaking discount. Alright? Yeah, nice. So, ito lang yung Hilux na merong Toyota word dito sa grills. Right? Yung ibang lower variant is the Toyota emblem. Okay? Pakita ko pa na mas matagal since nandito na kayo. Right? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So, yan. Right? Nice. Stop recording. This is my usual outro, alright? Meron kaming trade-in dito. Trade-in, but by appointment, okay? Set tayo na appointment. Huwag tayo basta-basta pumunta. Yun na nga baka mamaya wala yung appraisers namin. And then what? Just in case meron kang approval, even sa other brands yan, pwede mo i-transfer dito. Okay? So, that's it. Visit my TikTok, YouTube, Facebook. Bye!